Join Clive and Tyler on a day in the life of a site inspector. Bright and early, we got in the car, grabbed a coffee and headed off for the McLaren site at the XL Phase 2. We were working closely with the Gallagher Group, who were doing a first-class job in the installation. We stepped onto the site and couldn't help but be amazed by the incredible Premcrete products they were using. We spotted the Twinseal in action. Clive went on his photo snapping spree, capturing all the action and promptly uploading them to the Premtrac app. While exploring the site, we stumbled upon a surprising revelation. They were filling in the site to build a racetrack for the Formula E race this year. Talk about taking construction to the fast lane. Next up, we hopped over to the IBIS Hotel across the water. They hadn't started using the product yet, but we noticed the Hydroprufe working its magic on the pile caps. The site manager even asked for Clive's expert advice, so it was worthwhile going to. Feeling adventurous, we decided to take a detour and hopped onto the cable car to Greenwich 1905. It was a thrilling ride, but nothing compared to the excitement on the site. Premcrete products were everywhere, from Twinseal Plus to Hydroprufe LG. Clive continued his photo frenzy, documenting every inch of the site. The guys on site were also asking for Clive's advice, which was happily given. Finally, we made our way to Goodmayes, our last stop of the day, and as expected, Premcrete products were the stars of the show. Clive signed a few forms, did his inspection rounds, and made sure everything was in tip-top shape. Hydroprufe made yet another appearance. It was like it was the unofficial mascot of all these construction sites. With happy clients and a successful day behind us, we bid farewell, shook some hands, and headed home. Remember, happy client, happy life.